Hey guys, my name is Katie Kennedy and I'm a swimmer on the Georgia Southern University Women's Swimming and Diving Team. And today we're going to be reading 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. 10 Wriggly Wiggly Caterpillars. 10 crunching caterpillars in the bright sunshine. One fell asleep, so that left 9 speedy caterpillars, though they might be late. One was too slow, so that left 8 munching caterpillars in crunching heaven. One got a tummy ache, so that left 7 clever caterpillars creeping through some sticks. One got stuck, so that left 6 singing caterpillars glad to be alive. One stayed to sing, so that left 5 brave caterpillars going to explore. One got lost, so that left 4 daring caterpillars inching up a tree. One fell off, so that left 3 cool caterpillars splashing in the dew. One got soaked, so that left 2 happy caterpillars having so much fun. One got tired, so that left 1 sad caterpillar all on his own, when all of a sudden there were 10 bright and colorful pretty butterflies, spreading their wings and flying through the skies. The end. Thanks, guys.